Today we've made it to our manufacturing facility in Portland. It's a good day. That means all the product has moved off the farm and into our manufacturing facility, where we'll be processing it into bag flower, pre-rolls, concentrates, vapes, every format before it goes off to retail. Getting the product down to manufacturing is a great sense of relief. We've already harvested all the first turns, everything's looking really good, but until we get our test results, we can't transfer it out of that license and get it down to our vaults here where it's stored, and we know we can realize the value of it once we bring it to retail. In the manufacturing space, we're able to process this product into its final formats. So that'd be bag flower for all the big nugs, the smalls are turned into pre-rolls, and all of the trim is processed into concentrates. Because we are greenhouse growers, our cultivation is seasonal, and getting through the first turn feels really good. We front load a lot of our operational costs at the start, so to get that first turn down, get some momentum, get that product to market, it makes us feel really good about the coming turns in the finish of the season. Our team's very excited about how this product is looking from the first harvest, but it continues to prove to us that these greenhouses are an amazing tool for producing a high quality product with a lower overhead. As we continue to use them and develop the knowledge base and build a team around the operations of them, it's proving to us that this is a great business model for us at Atlantic Farms.